Okay, good evening sa lahat. So, road test tayo ng ating as is converted. Yan. Road test tayo, road test. Yan. New PMS unit. And then, yan. As is converted. So, kasama natin sa ating PMS. Sa ating as is converted yung PMS. Tsaka may bagong windshield, and then may bagong battery, and then yan, test tayo, test. So lumabas agad yung eco mode, smooth shifting, and then yan, so makita natin yung itsura ng as is. Ganyan yung itsura ng as is. So meron pang mga cutting. Yan. So normal sa as is, meron talagang ganyan. So ganda. So as is pa lang, napaka-sulit na. So balik tayo. Dito lang tayo magdaan. So medyo malapit lang na road test kasi alam nyo na hindi pa nakalabas yung registration. Yan, napakaganda, ganda ng shifting. So ganito pala, kung magkuhan kayo ng Deptronic, kailangan release gas, solenoid release gas yung sistema. Yan. So okay, napakaganda ng as is natin. So check natin sa labas. Yan. May as is unit. So pag sabing as is, pre-dumi. Yan, pre-dumi na yan. Dumi yan, no? So yan, as is converted unit. So as is lang. Yan. Pre-registration at saka pre-PMS, pre-windshield, and bagong battery. Yan. So napakaganda ng andar. Check natin yung ilalim. Yan. As is lang. Sapat na yung as is. Yan. Ito yung as is. Bagong PMS yan. So para malaman na bagong PMS, check natin yung oil filter. Kabila. Yan. So bago yung oil filter. Ganda ng assist na to. Sulit na sulit. Yan. Napakaganda. So brand new left hand conversion na to. Brand new left hand steering. Check natin. Yan. Brand new na yung steering yan. Yan. Brand new yan. Super maganda. Nissan. So thank you sa nagtiwala at nag-overtime kami para sa as is kasi kukunin bukas. Yan. Function lahat. Normal basta as is. Ganito talaga yung tsura. Kita pa yung putol. Yan. Oras 11. Yan. Thank you sa nagtiwala na kumuha sa atin ng as is. Kahit as is, safe yung unit na binibigay natin. Safety unit yung as is. Made order, yan. Safety unit. Napakahinog pa ng unit na to. Ligo lang katapat nito. Ligo. Yan. Grabe. Yan. Ayos. Tabis. This. Thank you. magandang gabi.